Well, hello and welcome back to javacomputer.info. Right now I'm showing you on my VirtualBox a version of XBMC, which is related to my post called XBMC Awesomeness. This is the Xbox Media Center, a completely open source and free software to download from the internet at xbmc.org. That will be in my downloads section under entertaining downloads. Now, what I'm going to show you today is a little review over what this is capable of. And let's start with weather. And let's see if it gives us our weather. Well, in Marble Falls, Texas, where I'm located at, it is 82 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, that it will also give you the weather forecast for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and the following days. And this is really cool. But let me show you something else that's really neat. You can also go up here and change settings. You can change location. You can find out where you want to be at. You can also set it up to be for different time zones. So if you want to check out what the weather is in London or something like that. But, oops, let me capture that. If you go here, back home, and you can control this either by Android or you can control this by a remote control you buy off of Newegg.com. And like I said, I'll leave links like that in my section. I'm going to show you guys something other really cool about this thing. You also have features such as pictures. So you can actually go to Google, which is an add-on. And what an add-on is, it's basically a app software that you add on to your existing XBMC, because your XBMC can actually replace an operating system completely. So now we can go down to search, and our next thing, let's just type in tropical. I like tropical. And we'll click done. And it'll retrieve all these items, and then it'll give you a list of what you want. So it's retrieving 32 items with the term tropical in it. And it's going to be nice big images that will look really nice on the Xbox Media Center or the XBMC. It was designed at first to be a mod for the Xbox, but no longer. It's now, and here is a really cool picture. Oh yeah, that's cool. And you can leave that on the background. It'll also start doing a slideshow with it, and that's what it also searches for. It does a little slideshow when you load it up. And so now you got this picturesque background, and think of this on a 42-inch or 55-inch TV. It's actually very, very wonderful. And I have this already pre-installed on my other TV, which I use this constantly. Now, it doesn't install on the TV. What you do need a computer for this. But an old computer model that you can pick up for a couple $100 will run this just fine. It's not as tasking as you think it would be, and you can get some really high quality photos out of this. Well, we're going to exit out of that, and we're going to go to the next one on our list, which would be music. And music is really cool. Now let me show you something really cool about this. I'll show you what the audio control looks like, and as you can tell, it was at full volume. We're going to shrink it down to about quarter volume, and that's what it looks like when you're cutting down the audio. So it looks like basically a regular TV volume control, and that's what it looks like up there. Now I'm going to activate Grooveshark, which if you go to grooveshark.com, which will be another one of my videos about how to use grooveshark.com and how you get some really cool things out of it, and it's a great free out there music listening device. I think it's better than Pandora personally. So let's go to popular search, and let's find something that's not too aggravating. Well, oh well, let's play One Republic. So we'll play, and now I want to show you something really cool. Once it starts playing the audio, and we'll be able to hear it, but the audio is turned down, you see it playing down here in the corner, right down here. Now if we go here, we can actually go back to home, and let's waiting for the clicks to catch up here. It's a little faster. I'm running this on a virtual box, so it's not going to be as fast as most people are used to. And we're going to go down to the exit down here. And we're going to exit right out of it. And as you can see, and then we go back up here and go to home. It's still playing in the background, so we're still listening to One Republic. Let me turn up the audio just a little bit so you can actually hear it. So you can hear it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the audio back down so it doesn't get too loud on your end. What we're also going to do is that I'm going to show you how to stop it. Now what you can do is you can actually go right here, click on One Republic. We're going to go down here, we're going to select it again. We're going to go over. And what we mean by over, we're going to go up here and see this confluence. What it does, it brings up a little, while you're in your menu, you can actually come down here and actually stop the video, music or video playing. It'll tell you what's playing, and you can actually skip forward, you can put it on repeat, or whatever you want to do. Well, we're going to stop it. And now we're going to go back to the home, and I'm going to show you another thing. I'm going to go to videos. And this is a really cool thing. We're going to go to video add-ons. We're going to go to YouTube. And YouTube's got some really cool features to it also. I enjoy it personally. But you can actually set up your own YouTube account. And it pops up here going, oh, do you want to have your own YouTube account associated with this? And you might not. You might. And we're going to go down here and we're going to click OK. And then the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to go to search in YouTube. And we're going to go down to search again. And if you have a keyboard on your computer, you can type it in with your normal keyboard. Or if you want to, you can always use the arrow keys on the remote, or even on some new remotes that you can buy these days, you can actually type in the letters corresponding like you would on a telephone number. Now let's just type in a movie that most people want to see. Let's type in Captain America. And we will be able to go to YouTube's trailer on that. So let's go here and go done. And like I said, it's running a little slow because I am running it on a VirtualBox machine again. And there you go. This is it. It's right here, giving you a little taste of what it can do right now. So it's going to open up the stream. You're going to be able to go to the stream and check it out. And it's going to go, oh, and here's the coolest thing. Even if you are playing a YouTube video, you do not get the pixelization issues that you do if you did full screen on a huge monitor. And like I said, the video quality right now is running really slow, and that's because due to we are running on a VirtualBox, and the machine does not have a video memory. And I'll give you more information on that during the next VirtualBox, more in-depth look at the VirtualBox. So I'm going to pause it, or actually stop it. And it drops you back out. You can go up here to the home page. And we are going to go down to programs. And here's the cool thing. You can actually add programs on. You got a web viewer. Or you can get an RSS feed coming through here. And it's really cool because you can also play video games that are designed for the PC on this thing. If you installed Windows first and then you installed and you ran Xbox Media Center on top of it, you can actually play Windows-based video games. And here's a really cool thing. You can actually go right up here, and you can actually go in here and go to the navigation and type in, you would type in for anywhere else. and we're going to enter the URL. We're going to hit enter, and we're going to be able to go straight to too many O's, but that's okay. And we'll go here to done, because Google already bought all those domains. So that's going to be in another video a little later. But see, there you go. Number one, Google. Advanced search tools, languages, and stuff like that. And you can search Google or Gmail, and you can actually set up a Gmail account. So we're going to close out of the web browser here. And then I'll show you some little more cooler things. And the last thing we're going to show you today is the system. Well, the system is probably one of the cooler objects that we have. It gives us more detailed information on how to set things up, such as video appearances, music, pictures. You can enable all subtitles for every video that plays if the video has subtitles. And it turns you're into a complete experience. And now, like I said, the other add-ons you can also get for the video add-ons is the MythBox TV. So what that means is that, which will be a later video also on MythBox, is that you will have the ability to record live TV. So really cool software, really cool. And that will probably cover everything that we're talking about right now for just a review. And I enjoy it. I use it constantly because it makes my life easier. I have an Android phone. I have the Xbox Media Center's app, so I'm able to use it. So I thank you again for another video with javacomputer.info, and my name is Tyson Young, and I will see you later. Bye.